What is up? This is your LA in a minute, and I'm here downtown in front of what is usually LA's most iconic building, the Eastern Columbia building. But instead of the beautiful turquoise terracotta facade, the huge clock with the neon hands, and the massive signage that says Eastern, the building is shrouded in scaffolding. So what is happening at the Eastern Columbia building? Let's get into it. The Eastern Columbia building is a 13-story Art Deco tower designed by Claude Bielman and completed in 1930. The building was completed in only 9 months, and it was originally built as a department store for Adolph Sorotti's Eastern Outfitting Company, which incidentally was started as a clock shop on Spring Street with only $100. Wow. The building is widely regarded as one of the finest examples of Art Deco architecture in the entire United States, and it's a testament to the vibrancy of the Broadway Theater and Commercial District during the Renaissance of downtown LA. And the most distinctive features of the building are the turquoise terracotta facade with the gold leaf accents, as well as the four-sided clock tower that generally stands illuminated with clocks with neon hands on all four sides, as well as the words Eastern on top. The tower tops out at 15 stories tall. The inside of the building stays true to the Art Deco style as well, with these original terrazzo floors with intricate geometric designs. Perhaps the most stunning feature of the Eastern Columbia building is the terracotta masonry, and that's actually at the core of what's going on here. The terracotta was designed not only for decorative purposes, but also plays a role in the wall behaves in rain, wind, and earthquakes. Each terracotta unit weighs approximately 200 pounds and is an important component of the building's integrity and must be maintained, repaired, and sometimes replaced to preserve this historic landmark for generations to come. The renovation process is detailed and nuanced. It includes the inspection and repair of each individual piece of terracotta, removal of the current mortar joints, repair of any broken units, and replacement of those mortar joints. This intricate and important work required extraordinary coordination for city historic approvals and safety measures. So when I say intricate and detailed, check this out. These are actually the hands from the clocks, the 4 clocks outside the clock tower. They had to take these down to make sure they get the details right for the repair. And normally, this is where this is the backside, the controls of the clock, where these hands go. I'm telling you, it's a very thorough job. The renovation of the Eastern Columbia building is an important project that'll help continue to beautify the Los Angeles skyline, a testament to an impactful time in LA's development and growth as a metropolis. While the construction work is underway, the Eastern Columbia building will remain open and operational. Residents, tenants, customers will all have access to the building, though there are occasional closures of certain areas and temporary changes to the building's entrance or exit points. The work is slated to finish by the end of the year, and in the meantime, the building will remain shrouded in scaffolding. And preservation doesn't happen without a great team. So thank you to the Eastern Columbia building management and condo owners, to the contractor Mark I Restoration, and to WJE for making this happen. And rest assured, the Eastern Columbia building will look to head into its second century, towering over downtown LA as one of the most beautiful and iconic buildings in all of Los Angeles. All right, LA, it's been a minute.